At this point, you can't tell me that this isn't my hair. If you want to see how I got this wig to look like it's growing from my scalp, keep watching, girl. Hello my beautiful queens, welcome to my channel. If wigs got you in a headlock and won't let go, this is the channel for you, so make sure you subscribe so you can keep vibing with your girl. I won't waste your time, girl. We're gonna get straight into the details of this wig. I don't know about you, but when a wig comes nicely packaged, I just know it's gonna be good. Inside the box you got some goodies as usual, and then we got the star of the show, an absolutely gorgeous glueless wig, kinky straight human hair from Ash and Mary Hair. Straight out the box, I could tell it's gonna eat. Look at that newborn hairline. That kinky straight hair is flowy, soft, and so beautiful. Look at that, natural and pretty. 24 inches long, full, straight to the end. This is what that newborn hairline looks like. It looks natural to give you that natural look. We're gonna fix it up a little bit though, just wait. For security, you get that removable strap with the grip on it and the invisible strap in the back so you can have that glueless, flawless look for the back of the head, girl. It comes with 3 removable combs, 1 on the back and 2 on the sides. Take it off, put it back on, whatever you want, girl. Now let me show you that lace. Look at that skin lace. They meant it when they said skin lace, girl. Look at that, disappear into my skin. That's the skin lace. Did I mention skin lace? Now let's fix up that hairline. It's giving too much of a newborn hairline, okay, girl? So we're gonna use it at the lowest setting of the hot comb because you don't want it to be too slick back. Well, I didn't want it to be too slick back. I wanted to still give off that newborn hairline, but a little bit more subtle. You know, see the difference? See what I mean? This side and that side? Yes. Now we're ready to install. I was so excited to see what this wig was gonna give. Look at that. Love a good lace wig, like a good lace. Now the first attempt didn't work out very well for me because look at me tighten it up, like forgetting that I have a big head. I don't know why I tightened it up so much. I have a big head. It was too tight. I couldn't get the comb to tuck. It ended up falling off. Girl, had to do it all over again. I don't know what I was thinking right there. I was struggling. Look at me struggling. When I say struggling, I was struggling. I was struggling to tuck that comb in and I'm like, it's tight. For some reason I didn't take it off. I was still trying. I was like, no, I want it really snug. But it was too snug. But I was relentless. I was being so relentless. Lord have mercy. I finally came to my senses, took it off, and I couldn't find the comb. I'm like, wait, where'd the comb go? I was so confused. I'm like, wait a minute. I found the comb. Girl, you know what that comb was? Stuck to my wig cap on the back. I was looking all over the flow and the hair. I'm like, the hair is thick. Is it stuck in the hair? But it was stuck on my head. Anywho, we learned our lesson and we move on. The moral of this story is learn and move on. So we moving on. So once I got it to a really decent tightness, I was able to tuck the comb in the back nicely and adjust it to fit really comfortable and not too tight. Cause girl, I don't know what I was thinking. Let's move on though. At first, I was gonna do a 100% no product install, but then it felt like the wig was sliding back. Even after I adjusted the invisi strap, it still felt like the wig was sliding just a little bit, and it needed a little help. Maybe it's my head, but for me, especially for the hairstyle I was gonna do, I wanted to do a half up, half down, as you saw. And the sides would stay down, but not once where I put that scrunchie on my head. It wasn't gonna stay. I knew it wasn't. So I used my trusty dusty Lord Kiss Lace Bond spray, and I sprayed the hairline, laid her down. Took me a second to figure out what exactly I wanted to do. I didn't want to just leave it down. I wanted to switch it up just a little bit, so I decided to go with a half up, half down with my little side bang, because I love me a little side something. One con I have about this wig is the knots could have been bleached a little more. I could use a little more, but that could be just me being a perfectionist. But the knots could have been bleached just a little bit more, just a little bit. I love a good kinky straight wig. It just has so much life and lust and gorgeousness. Now here I am itching the head because I forgot to put oil on, because I just planned on putting on the wig and taking it off. I was just putting it on for you, girl. I was just putting it on for you, then taking it off. So but I had a little itch there. Anywho, let's get into the styling. We're gonna add some layers, face framing layers, and we're gonna cut the ends just a little bit, about 1.5 inches, and give it like a smooth little mwah finish, you know?
Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire, anything, 'cause your love is so kind and familiar. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is so kind and familiar. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Now this part right here, girl, my arm was hurting, but I was thugging it out. But my arms, not just one, both of them was hurting bad. Now I got nails on, so we're gonna use a comb to take off the wig band. Who else does that? Let me know, girl. Let me know I'm not alone in this world. Let me know. In the words of Aaliyah, let me know. Now look how that hairline came out. Look at that. I mean, look. Now the pre-plucking behind the newborn hairline is decent. I actually like it. I don't like too much pluckness. I like it. So natural, so pretty. Everything about this wig is gorgeous. I'll have her linked in the description box below. You won't regret it.
Let me know. 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 Should you ever feel the need to wonder why? Let me know. Let me know.
Hey beautiful, you still here? Oh my god, thank you queen. Give this video a like, make sure you are subscribed, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you for vibing with me. I'll see you on the next one, girl.
Let me